Karena dari awal gua YouTube, game yang gua mainin hanya game horor yang cuma ada darah dan jump scare. Kali ini gua pengen main game yang happy. Kalau di video sebelumnya gua dikejar hantu, di game ini gua jadi hantunya. Tapi hantunya itu yang imut dan kawaii. Dan tenang aja guys, nggak ada jump scare kok. Tenang aja. Hehe. Yuk, gak usah lama-lama, cus ke gameplaynya. Yo guys, kembali lagi sama gua Pogot Potato. Dan hari ini kita akan bermain game Can a Cute Ghost Story Be Spooky. Kayaknya ini game yang family friendly guys. Sekarang ini kita butuh game yang family friendly. Soalnya dari awal gua nge-YouTube ini gua selalu main game horror guys. Jadi langsung kita mainin.
Hi, kids.
Hi.
Ready to be scared? I don't want to lie. It will be a very scary story.
Masa?
If you get scared easily, you are free to leave.
Jika kamu takut, kamu bisa keluar.
Are you still here? So,
Jadi anak-anak
do
jangan
you want
nonton
to
ya.
hear the story? Okay. Don't complain with me if you cry. I warned you. Well, in a dark cemetery full of scary ghosts, there's an old house haunted by a specter called Jimmy. Jimmy is only 374 years old. He's basically just a little kid like you. And in this house that our story begins. Like every night, Jimmy takes his favorite hat in front of the mirror before leaving the house. No one can understand how special that hat is to Jimmy. It was given to him by his mother for his 276th birthday. If only someone tried to steal it. Jimmy would probably go crazy.
Guys, kita menjadi hantu guys. Dan kita ini berumur 376 tahun dan masih anak-anak coy. Dan ini katanya topi pemberian ibu kita di ulang tahun kita yang ke-276 anjay. Imut banget coy, walaupun kita hantu ya. Walaupun kita nggak punya kaki, ini kita room tour dulu, room tour coy. Be a cool ghost. Jadi hantu yang keren. Pizza, mungkin dia suka pizza guys si Jimmy ini. Ini kasur Minecraft kayaknya guys. Oke, kita keluar aja.
This is a dark and spooky night, but Jimmy doesn't care. He is always happy.
Dia tetap senang katanya guys.
Family before going to the town. He is such a thoughtful guy.
Kita disuruh mencari keluarga kita. Tapi rumahnya si Jimmy di kuburan guys. Tapi nggak apa-apa. Soalnya musiknya happy. Semua itu 80% musik guys.
Hello family, how are you today?
Ini guys.
Come on guys, seems to be in a mortuary.
No.
Answer me please.
Semua keluarganya Jimmy sudah mati guys.
I'll play some music. Death is too long to be bored.
Kenapa mereka tidak menjadi hantu seperti Jimmy? Kita disuruh ngidupin musik guys, supaya nggak bosen keluarganya anjay.
I hope you like this music. It will last approximately 20 hours.
Jimmy, stop this music now!
Sorry, but this music cannot be stopped. Now I'm going to town. Bye.
Jimmy, come here! You...
Wow, that's why I love Jimmy. He is so innocent and naive. Luckily, I applied some family-friendly filters to this story. We certainly don't want to see Jimmy cry.
Guys, berarti keluarganya diam di kuburan seperti hantu-hantu pada umumnya, dan Jimmy tinggal di rumah dengan kasur guys. Aneh bersepuluh. Oke, kita ke kota. Ini ada apa lagi sih? Kita lihat aja. Ada Eddie. Dia selalu cinta kucing ya. Siapa yang suka kucing guys? Coba komen di kolom komentar ya. Mereka ingin beristirahat dalam damai. Oke. Bang, maaf ya bang ya. Bisa matiin nggak? Nggak bisa bang. Kita telah menjadi adik yang durhaka guys. Oke. Kita tinggalin abang kita ke kota. Ternyata hantu bisa ke kota coy. Gua kira
After 2 hours, Jimmy has finally arrived, and now he's so hungry. Luckily, he knows an excellent Italian restaurant in town. It's a perfect night to eat pizza.
Oke, katanya Jimmy lapar guys. Jadi kita perlu ke restoran Itali. Emangnya hantu bisa lapar ya coy? Bukannya udah mati nggak lapar lagi ya? Ya ada balon.
Oh, another balloon is popped.
Hey, dude, don't be
Jangan
mad.
marah bang.
Do you want to get a pizza with me? I'll pay for it.
Really? Thanks, buddy. Anyway, I'm Dave. It's nice to meet you.
I'm Jimmy. Nice to meet you too. Follow me to the restaurant.
Now Jimmy and his new friend are ready to have a good night of fun.
Guys, tadi dia marah, terus kita mau traktir pizza, dia langsung senang guys. Oke, kita ke restoran pizza dengan teman kita, tapi kita yang bayar anjir. Apakah Jimmy CEO yang menyamar guys? Namanya siapa sih, lupa tadi gue coy. Oke. Anjir. Ternyata hantu-hantu di game ini semua bermuka sama guys.
Jimmy, nice to see you again.
Halo Mario.
Is the guy next to you your new
Ya,
friend?
ini teman gua.
His name is
Ini teman
Dave.
gua.
He
Namanya
likes to eat
Dev
pizza
Dev bang.
like me.
Well, Dave, you are in the right place. I make the best Italian pizzas in town. Now take a seat so I'll take your orders.
Thanks. You seem like a very nice person, Mario.
Mantap Mario. Traktir ya. Oke.
Jimmy, aren't you forgetting something?
Yeah. I have to wash my hands before eating. You know, hygiene first.
Good boy, Jimmy. Good boy.
Jadi kita harus mencuci tangan sebelum makan guys. Ingat guys, supaya tidak kena diare. Oi. Mirror therapy dulu. Oke, udah. Kita berbeda dengan hantu-hantu yang lain. Soalnya yang lain nggak pakai topi, cuma kita yang pakai topi di kota ini guys. Oke. Gentlemen, ladies. Guys, kita cewek atau cowok guys? Nggak bisa. Oke, oh di sini guys. Cuci tangannya. Oke. Kayaknya udah ya. Walaupun tangan gua nggak nyampe, tapi ya kita disuruh kembali ke meja. Oke. Udah bang, udah cuci tangan bang.
Okay, guys, which pizza do you want to order?
Kita disuruh milih menu pizza yang mau kita order. Cap cip cup kembang kuncup. Siapa yang mau dicup? Oh ini guys.
Good choice, Jimmy. And you, Dave, what do you want to order?
I would like to taste the most traditional pizza in Italy, the pineapple pizza.
Pineapple
Pizza
pizza
ananas.
is a traditional Italian pizza? Jimmy, you didn't tell me your new friend was so funny.
I'm not joking. I'm serious.
Jimmy, how many times have I told you not to let these pizza criminals into my restaurant?
Sorry, Mario. I thought Dave was a normal ghost. Guess I was wrong. Now, can I have my pizza?
Of course. You always remain my
Guys.
favorite little customer.
Teman kita dilempar guys. Gara-gara dia bilang
Mario's pizza is always good.
Yes,
pizza nanas guys. Dia minta
but
pizza
to be
nanas.
honest, Mario seems strange these nights.
Why is he a strange narrator?
Mario seems more angry lately. I think something is going on.
Yeah, maybe you're right. But it
Guys,
doesn't really matter
teman kita
now.
tadi dilempar
I'm gonna go
gara-gara
sleep. I'm tired.
dia
Okay,
mesen pizza
we'll talk about
guys,
it
mesen
tomorrow.
pizza apa namanya? Dia mesen pizza nanas guys. Karena orang Italia itu kayaknya sensitif banget sama makanannya. Kalian tahu nggak yang duo brother yang suka matahin pizza itu loh? Matahin spaghetti. Oke, kita disuruh kembali ke rumah ya. Oke. Kita taruh topi pemberian ibu kita di pemberian ke ulang tahun 276 ini di meja. Oke, dan kita tidur. Lah. Bukannya wait. Bukannya kita tidur tadi, guys. Kenapa kita menjadi enjoy the party? Kenapa kita di pesta, guys? Oke, apa ini? W developer. Oke, kita mungkin lurus saja. Lurus atau kiri, guys?
My hat!
Topiku.
Oh no!
Anjir.
This hole stole my hat! Now the party's ruined. Oh, someone's knocking on the door. Well, maybe it's my friend Dave.
Ada yang mengetuk pintu kita, guys. Siapakah itu? Katanya mungkin Dave, guys. Tapi topi kita di... Emangnya topi bisa jalan, coy? Wah! Anjing. Siapa sih itu guys? Anjir. Siapa guys? Tapi hantunya nggak serem ya. Oke, halo. Oh, dia.
Jimmy, my balloons were stolen. I'm very worried.
Be calm. In my
Snowbang,
party, there are
snowbang.
many balloons.
Di
Follow me.
pesta gua
Thanks,
banyak
friend. I
balon.
knew I could trust you.
Oke, kita ke pesta bersama Dev. Ayo Dev, rayakan ulang tahunku. Kita merayakan ulang tahun dengan Dev guys. Walaupun berdua. Tidak apa.
What happened here?
Huh?
The party's gone? I'm sorry, Dave.
Kok
There are
hilang,
no
guys?
more balloons now. Dave? What? Dave? Where
Kok
are
balonnya
you?
hilang guys? Nama si Dev di mana? Dev? Oh!
What a strange dream. Luckily, it's all fake. Nobody stole it. Oh, no. Someone stole my favorite hat like in my dream.
Cerita itu
They must
mimpi
have made
guys.
a hole in the wall to get into
Tapi-
my house.
Top-
Henrietta, are you there? Can you hear me?
Tip-
What should I do now?
Tapi TV kita
Narrator?
TV lagi.
This is
Topi
weird.
kita
Last night you told me
guys.
you had to tell me something.
Topi kita benar-benaran hilang guys. Bukan cuma di mimpi dan juga
Oh, it's Dave.
naratornya hilang guys. No, kita menjadi hantu yang sedih guys. Mungkin ada maling di rumah kita guys.
Jimmy, my balloon.
Yeah, I know. The balloons have been stolen and you're very worried.
What? How did you know that? Are you the thief?
It's not me. I just had a premonitory dream. Tonight, even my favorite hat was stolen.
Before knocking on your door, I saw someone enter the ancient abandoned crypt. Maybe it's the thief.
Really?
Benar?
Let's go, friend. We must take back what is ours.
Ada pencuri katanya guys. Tadi kita harus mencarinya. Kayaknya Asian Crypt itu di sini guys.
Jimmy, stop. I can't go with
Kenapa?
What's the problem, dude? Don't you want to get your
Kenapa
balloons
kamu nggak
back?
mau balon kamu
Yeah, I
balik?
want them back. I'm just afraid of abandoned places.
You will not be alone. You'll be with me. Here we go.
I'm sorry, Jimmy, but I'm staying here.
Ah, you're just a wimp. I don't need you. I'll go in there alone.
Dia hantu tapi dia takut hantu guys. Kenapa hantu takut pada hantu lainnya? Oke. Ini ya kayaknya Asian Crypt. Oke.
I don't need Dave. I can find my hat by
Aku
myself.
tidak perlu Dev. Aku bisa mencari topiku sendiri. Oke. Tidak. Kita lupa bawa senter teman-teman. Kiri atau kanan? Karena sebelumnya kita milih kiri, kita kiri aja lah. Buntu anjir. Astaga. Oke. Kita ikuti alurnya saja ya. Halo. Kaki kita nggak nampak guys, nggak nampak tangan. Oke. Tadum, 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 tadum.
Man, there's a lot of stairs in this crypt.
Banyak banget tangganya katanya guys. Semoga tidak ada guys, sesuatu yang hantu yang lebih menakutkan. Semoga tidak ada kuntilanak di game ini.
What is this place? I've never been here before.
Oke. Kita lewat sini. 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 Sini dan sini. Oke. Aman guys. Guys. Apakah itu pencurinya? Oi,
Aha, the thief. Now that he's not
Bang.
looking at me, I better find a weapon to hit
Bang.
him.
Oh, kita disuruh mencari benda untuk memukul pencurinya, guys. Di manakah itu? Halo. Jangan masuk, sangat gelap. Mungkin hantu nggak bisa gelap-gelapan banget, guys.
Ooh, this piece of wood could come in handy.
Karena dia telah mencuri topi kita. Kita akan gaplok kepala dia, teman-teman. Dia harus mendapat ganjaran yang setimpal.
This hurts! Who are you?
I'm Jimmy, and I'm here to get my.
Mana topi gua?
You understand that, thief?
I'm not a thief!
Wait, what? So what are you doing here then?
I'm the famous Professor William. I'm from England, here to study
Professor
the
William?
ancient inscriptions.
What? They look like they're drawn by 5-year-old kids.
You're just a troglodyte. You don't understand the importance of history. It all began 15 centuries ago. Lord Frederick was governor and...
I don't have time for that now. I really have to find my hat.
Okay, if it helps, I saw a dude with a chef's hat a while ago. He was holding a red hat in his hand.
My hat is red, and the dude over there with the chef's hat is Mario. So where did
Kita
it go?
dengerin aja guys, kita dengerin aja guys.
Yes,
Nanti
the
gua
door near me.
kasih
Thanks, Professor.
anunya
You're
kok.
pretty helpful, actually.
Where do you think you're
Subtitlenya.
going? You have to do one thing. Did you think hitting me with a piece of wood had no consequences?
Okay, what do you want me to do?
You have to bring me an ancient map. It's located in a very dangerous area of the crypt. Some say they have seen strange ghosts in this area. But don't worry, this is just a story made up to scare the kids. Moreover, it's very dark there. Luckily, I'm also an inventor. I created special glasses to see better in the dark. Do you want them?
Yes. Iya. Iya, kita
I'm
pilih
glad
iya aja
someone
guys.
tries my inventions. I'm sure these glasses will be very useful for you.
Oke guys, karena kita sudah menggaplok kepala profesornya dan dia itu bukan pencurinya ya, jadi kita disuruh supaya kita sebagai permintaan maaf gitu, kita disuruh mencari anunya guys, mencari kayak map gitu guys buat dia guys. Tapi oke lah, dia juga mengasih kita anu guys, kacamata biar kita bisa melihat di kegelapan.
Wow, these glasses are very useful.
Wow, kita punya night vision guys. Anjir.
What the heck is that?
Bang jangan bang. Bang jangan bang. Gak perlu lari sih.
Low battery.
Anjir.
What?
Low battery.
Man, these glasses are useless. Battery ran out immediately.
Low battery. Guys, gimana caranya guys?
There is an arrow on the floor. Maybe if I follow it, I'll find something.
Ada di anu guys, di apa namanya, di lantai. Kita ikuti aja ya. Oke, kita lurus. Mana coy? Kita lurus. Oke, kita sini lagi. Oke, mana. Oh, kita ke kiri. Kita ke kanan.
The map. I better take it and get out of this dark place.
Oke, kita dapat mapnya guys. Ternyata nggak sulit dapat mapnya. Kita lari aja ya. Kita dari ke sini, 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 sini. Fun fact, I'm funny. Aku lucu. Anjay, developernya ada saja. Ini kemana sih guys? Oh, lawan tanda panahnya gak sih? Kita ke sini. Kita ke sini dan ke sini. Anjay. Oke guys, akhirnya oke. Kok gue masih ingat? Oke. Exit bang. Kok nggak bisa keluar? Udah salah jalan kali ya? Anjing, lari. Astaga. Isi segala dikejar lagi coy.
A few moments later.
Anjay. Oke, akhirnya bisa, anjir. Setelah berapa percobaan itu. Aduh, bang, lu ngentut bener bang.
I found the map.
Excellent.
Ya.
Was it difficult to find?
Not so much. Mostly it was
Susah
very
banget
dark in
anjir.
that place.
Luckily, you had my special glasses. Was it useful?
Guys, kata dia apakah kaca night visionnya itu berguna guys. Kita bilang bohong biar dia semangat dan menemukan inovasi baru, atau kita bilang sejujurnya dan dia akan pensiun dari pekerjaannya guys. Lebih baik pahit di awal atau manis di awal guys, tapi ini pahit di akhir. Ini pahit juga sih. Ya udah.
Honestly, your glasses suck. Battery
Ini
literally ran out in
anu
like
guys,
10 seconds.
pembalasan
I feel like
gua
getting a real
anjing.
job. And sorry, but I
Okay,
have to
okay.
find my hat. I've wasted way too much time with you.
Oke, gua harus mencari topi gua. Kita harus mencari topinya guys. Halo,
My hat.
topiku.
Congratulations, Jimmy! You did it!
What?
Yeah, Jimmy, congratulations.
Can someone explain to me what's happening?
We stole your hat just to create an adventure for you.
We only did it because today is your
Pojok banget
birthday.
anjir.
Guys, my birthday's not today. Also, someone has to give me some money to repair that wall of my house.
Oh, Jimmy, look behind you. A flying unicorn!
Mana?
Where is it? Guys? Where are you? Come back. Like I really want that money.
Well, this is the end of our story. I hope the story wasn't too scary for you. Now Jimmy will have to pay for the damage with his own money. But in the end, he found his favorite hat, and this hat, it's me.
Lah, naratornya itu.
Kids, I'm a talking hat.
Topinya,
and
guys.
narrator
Pantesan
of the
tadi nggak
story.
ngomong tadi, guys.
Yeah.
Wah, kaget. Dan berakhir. Guys, absurd per 10. Jadi guys, mungkin itu keseluruhan gameplay dan ending dari game Kinda Cute Ghost ini. Jadi itulah jika kalian ingin menjadi hantu dan teman-teman kalian menjadi hantu guys. Jadi mungkin segitu dulu video dari gua. Jadi gua minta tolong untuk kalian untuk like, subscribe dan komen ya. See you di next video. Bye bye.